Hey guys, it's Archie and
Cassia.
this is my friend, so just, yeah. Today we're playing Animal Crossing, Spin the Wheel. So, somebody's gonna spin the wheel, and whatever they get, the person that, is not spinning the wheel has to get whatever that is. We're just not gonna do fish or items, because she hasn't come with items, because this is my island, so. What the heck?
Yeah.
So, yeah. So, who's gonna go first?
I want to go first.
Okay. Spin the wheel. And bells is also counted. We're allowed to do bells.
Pears.
Okay, I have to go get a pear for Cassia.
Pear. He's a bear.
We don't talk about that. Where's a pear? And yeah, this is my Goofy Island. It's cluttered.
She's still working on it.
And you know, I had this island since I got my Nintendo. I still haven't finished it, and she has had like 3 islands now. Well, one, and then she lost her Nintendo and never found it. I don't even know where it is. It's probably in her house somewhere. And then there's the other one, which she finished.
The other one I wanted to restart because it was disgusting. It was all cluttered, and it was so annoying.
Yeah,
and
so she's made a new one.
services was so close to the beach, so I couldn't finish. Like I couldn't do anything. So I made
Here's her pears.
Hawaii island.
Yeah, slays.
So
We're gonna have to show her island in another video. Anyways, there's your pears.
yeah,
Eat one. Eat one pear. Eat one pear.
Okay. Yeah, I have the pears.
Okay, let's spin the wheel.
Are you gonna stop it?
Oh.
Oh.
Yeah, I have to respin that because we're not doing fish.
Yeah, because we can't.
Bruh.
No item.
Bruh. Okay.
Oh, okay.
We're gonna eat a pear because
Oh,
why not? Yum. Scrumptious. I'm just gonna move my camera up so it's easy. It'd be harder to see though.
Bruh.
Yeah, we're just gonna keep how it was.
Okay.
It's just weird. Is it blurry? I think it's blurry.
Yummy.
Yum. Okay. Cherries! Thank God there's literally a cherry forest over there. So like a little cherry place.
I like that there's a cherry customized.
What's my ABD right? I don't even know what my ABD is right now, so we're just gonna quickly check my ABD. Okay, that's not bad. Okay.
Yeah.
Not trying to like flex or anything. I don't know what my ABD is. And I have to pay off my rent, my storage, or whatever it is soon. So yeah. Let's eat a cherry.
You have to pay the basement. That's all you have to pay, and then you just pay for storage.
Yeah. I quit Animal Crossing for a while, then I came back and I quit for a while, and then I quit for a while again. And I came back and then I quit for a while again. So yeah. Oh wait, it's your turn. I got fish anyway, so that's good. Spin again.
Come on. Orange.
Okay. Is that? Spin again. It's in the middle.
It's in the arm.
It's like in the. It's
on my screen. It's orange.
It's in the middle on my screen.
Oh.
And they're seeing my screen. So just spin again. They're seeing my screen though.
I'll spin again.
Okay, now it's actually orange this time. Okay. BIP. That was so cringe. I'm being so embarrassing to myself right now. It's not even funny. Where are the oranges on my island?
Do you not have any oranges?
I do. I literally spawned in the game with oranges. I started the game with oranges. Oh my god. I'm running into stuff. Run through all those flowers. I really
trying
don't
to
care.
warn you the duck, and I can't find it.
The ducky. Oh yeah, she promised me a ducky from her island, and she hasn't found it yet. She's gonna have to pay me that
I'm
ducky
gonna have to
soon.
look up for it. I have to look up. I have to look.
Where is an orange? I don't have a single orange on my island. That'd be sad if I don't. I literally started the game with oranges, and I don't have an orange. I'll see you when I find an orange.
Do you want me?
Alright, I found an orange.
Okay.
I found some oranges. I have an orange tree in my literal inventory. Are you serious? Hey, there's your orange, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay, my turn to spin. Cherries.
Oh.
I have cherries in my inventory.
Oh, okay.
We're just gonna cheat the game a little bit, because why not? Like, why not? There. Just take him and give him back.
See you. I totally picked that tree over there.
Okay. Okay, now go.
Bell! Yeah!
It's only 100. It shouldn't be that bad.
But it's Monday.
Gonna get
Money.
bells.
Money.
Yes, bells.
Oh, man.
Give me that 100 back. Back to 5,000. Come on, girl. It's not that hard.
See you. Accidentally,
Back to 5,000. Let's go. Okay. Your turn.
My turn.
That's right. If you get bells again. Yes. Apple. My screen wasn't apple, but on your screen it was, and it was your spin, so whatever. I should have some apples down here.
Your map looks really cool.
What mash?
Map. Your map. Map.
Oh yes, this is my map, by the way.
But Tutu, is that the big
That's the preppy girl. Tutu's the preppy girl.
Is that like the big bear?
Yeah.
I want.
If you want to see my
on my next island, it's like Paris.
Want to see
Love. It's like
my
a
better map?
island.
This is my better map. This is my goofy looking villagers.
I want to.
I'm gonna make a probably gonna make a. Probably gonna be making You know, my honestly fun island. I was like 5 when I made this, like 6 or 5 when I made this island. So yeah, I was in like kindergarten when I made this. So yeah, I didn't know what to name my island. But yeah, I'm gonna make a villager hunting because I finally kicked out one of my least favorite villagers. So we're gonna make a villager hunting video some other time in life. So yeah.
Like the ugly villager was Chops. It's so ugly. I hate him.
I literally almost got Chops. I got him on a villager hunting when I went on villager hunting with my friend once. I almost got Chops. So yeah, it was weird. I hated it.
Well,
Got fish. Can't do fish.
I've been getting so many nuggets.
Apple.
There you go.
All right. Spin the wheel. The wheel of awesomeness.
cherries. Please. I thought I had cherries in my inventory, but I didn't. Okay.
Totally pick those up. Oranges.
Got him.
Got
Got him.
Do you wanna go looking for my message of the bottle today? Like after, like later. Do you wanna go look for my message in the bottle? Let's go. Let's go look for it now. I wanna go adventuring for a little bit. Cause why not?
Okay. Oopsie, no, I grabbed my wand. Oh my god.
Oh, we don't need this anymore.
Okay.
This beach hasn't been decorated yet, so just don't mind that.
That ever itch.
We're gonna look for him later. Up here it is.
Oh yay! Oh hi Tabby.
Say hi to Tabby. You can say hi to Tabby.
Hi Tabby. Been a long time. You still on my island of all.
To whoever finds this new Dragon Virus people was inspired by a scene in a novel I'm reading. What the heck?
No, please.
Right now I'm really enjoying.
No.
I wanted to get my idea out into the world, so I put it in this bottle. It made me happy if you use it. Wishing you well. Ellie. Who is Ellie? I don't know a villager named Ellie.
Look, Violet.
Cutting board. I think I already have this. No, I don't actually.
Look, Violet's right there.
I have Violet, so please save me.
She's been on my island like 2 times. She's been on my island like 2 times. And I hate her because her butt shows.
Do you wanna?
It looks disgusting.
Do you wanna
It looks
open
like
up
an
Violet?
egg because
Do you wanna wake him up for me?
yeah, I'll wait. I'm just gonna stay here.
Wake him up for me. Wake him up.
Oh, okay. Wake up. It's so annoying that they just don't wake up.
You know,
Like a long time.
what if I did?
Please.
What if I just grabbed up my axe and hit him with the axe?
Okay, I'm just gonna wake him up. Man, I'm too comfy. I'm too comfy.
Yeah, bye.
Yeah.
Ditch
He's just
him.
too
Let's go.
comfortable. Bye, Tabby. Ew, bye, Violet.
Ew, bye, Violet.
I really like this new area of the little carts.
Come here with the campsite. Come to the campsite and stand right next to me.
I literally put
Stand right next to me.
there. It's so cute. Yay!
Right here should be a good place to end this video. Anyways, if you like this video, I hope you did. Don't forget to subscribe if you want to grow quicker on YouTube. Ciao, ciao. Wait.
Bye!
Okay. Didn't mean to do that.
Yay! I never did a YouTube video ever. It was like the first time.
Wait, I'm still recording. Bye.